They are a nice electric train to open the morning. It is about 10:30 on the 23rd of September 2014. We've got rail workers here. We are at Marham, trackside, just north of Peterborough, and we're hoping to see a lot of wind, hurricanes and devastating because tornadoes coming. June's not got out of the car yet, she hasn't had time. Can't see her. Yes, we can. Have a look at June. There we go. Hello, June! She don't know whether she's going to get out. We're a bit late getting here actually, so I hope it hasn't gone. We should be here in about 10-15 minutes, unless it's run early. We don't know that. That's an East Midland train running from Norwich to Nottingham.
Ooh. Wow. Wow.
It's a smart train. First Hull trains going to Hull, of course.
Really?
And that's an East Midlands train going in the opposite direction from Nottingham to Norwich.
Oh, yes.
Wave. Well, great shame it's being dragged, but there you go, you can't win them all. We nearly never made it. It's about 8 minutes early, so there you go. Anyway,
We got it.
tornado over. We can now expect the sun to come out.
It's been all right. Come on.
There you go, sun's come out. I said it would. Now that's the morning HST to Dundee, I do believe. This is the little unit running up to Spalding.
You can't just keep going up and down in case anybody wants something.
Got some poison coming down there. I think it's Andy, I think.
I got it. Thank you. What's the long
June gave a wave and we got a little pip.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is better than a poop. There we are, that's off to Stansted Airport. And Andy's here. Morning, Andy.
Morning.
Yeah, we saw you coming up the track anyway, didn't we?
Lovely.
And that bloke I've got to do is, which side do you want? Look at this. She is a bugger, isn't she? Laughing her head off because they're patooting her.
And let them get started.
Well, we're getting the waves and we're filming the passengers. Andy's off. Hello? Who's this? Oh, some loneliness of the long distance runner, I think. Yeah, so it's all passengers. There's no freight due for another hour and a half, so I don't think we'll be waiting for that. Ah, she didn't get a toot that time. No, tutti frutti. Well, there you go. We decided that we're going to toddle off. We were going to Morrisons, now we're going to go to the pub and have a bit of lunch and then go to Morrisons afterwards. Thank you for being with Smile and his lady,
Super.
and we'll see you again next time.